It's Scott Banzai. Today I'm taking a look at this Vivitar multi-coated filter kit, 37mm. So you've got the UV filter, CPL, and FLD. I generally like having filters instead of using lens caps. I don't really care too much about what the filters do, at least the UV ones. Of course, circular polarizer and FLD are different. Photo C 35mm f1.6 has the 37mm filter thread on there, which is pretty unusual. The CPL, of course, is circular polarizer filter, and the FLD is the fluorescent filter. There's some spring to it, so it's padded, Velcro top. Pop it open. Each one's got some plastic covering. And that's nice. It describes what each filter does. FLD allows you to more easily use the camera in fluorescent lighting situations. So I'm not going to make like an absolute claim to say that this is not multi-coated, but as far as I can tell, based on my past experience, I don't think it is. So that's pretty much counter to their advertising. So without a normal coating, the filter, in especially dark situations with strong highlights in the background and such, will have pretty bad reflections. I mean, it's not unusable, but it is definitely a limitation. Here's the circular polarizing filter. Of course, you got an adjustment to it so it'll function properly. Doesn't look like it has a coating. And we've got the fluorescent filter. See a very large, strong tint to this one. So I don't think I have any fluorescent lights to test this one out. I like the build quality. Seems pretty decent. And this little package is nice as well. Try the circular polarizer out. You can see as I rotate the ring, it is functioning as it should. This type of filter. So here it is with that fluorescent filter. Pretty cool. Anyways, I'm Scott Banzai. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.